Hey, good morning YouTube. Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. 4:30 in the morning here on July the 2nd today, Tuesday morning. So, been up for a while, been up since about 3:30. Tried to go to bed as early as I could last night to get some rest, get ready for today, and just have a hard time sleeping before some of these trips. So anyway, we're loaded up this morning. Canoe's already on the van. Paddles are in there. Life jacket's in there. I just have to grab my emergency safety kit for the canoe, which is just outside. I'll do that when I load up. But I just gone through my list here one more time. I know I've got way too much stuff as it is for this trip. It's only a couple days. We'll be back Saturday. So a 5-day trip. But overpacked as always. I went through the gear yesterday, took stuff out that I don't need or that I feel I don't need, but who knows. If I don't have it, too bad. But anyway, I had it like an extra size tarp. I was going to take that typhoon, thinking that if we get a lot of rain it would help, but you know what, I've survived with what I've got on my Hennessy hammock. So anyway, I just gotta grab the fishing rod, my pole for my antennas for my radios. I gotta velcro them into the canoe once we get to our launch site. Anyway, I just weighed the barrel and weighed my my dry bag. My dry bag has my radio gear in it, has my snacks in it, so I can get at it easily while we're in the canoe. My rain jacket's in there. A bunch of other odds and sods are in here. Batteries and stuff for the cameras. And yeah, this weighs about 24 pounds. And the barrel weighs 48 pounds, which isn't bad. Again, it's, you know, clothes, sleeping gear, hammock, all that stuff in here, and all my food for the week, except for my snacks, which are in the dry bag. So anyway, folks, we will catch up with you here at some point in time. We do not have cell service out to where we are going to be out at White Otter. I do have my inReach with me, so I do have ways to reach home, or people to reach me at least, in the event that there is a situation. So, all right, folks, take care. Have a great day. We've got about a 3-hour drive west. Then we got to hit the I think it's Raleigh Lake Road to Devil's Gap, and then launch from there. And then we'll have a full day on the lakes paddling to our spot today. Take care, stay safe, have a great week. Take care of each other. And remember, watch out for the other person, because the other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, headed to White Otter Lake. This is Fred, VE3FAL 73, folks. Firefly.